Hello friends, myself Orup and you are watching Evarat YouTube channel. I am making this video for a request of my subscriber. Now in this video I am going to show you about a software which you can download from Google and you can use it also. As per you can see, this is the painting as I set in my desktop wallpaper, and you can draw this kind of drawings using this software. The name of this software is Krita. As you can see, this is the logo of it. I put it here, and just after opening it, you can see this kind of interface. Here it has a option new file, so just click on it, and after clicking it, a window will pop up and you can change the width and height of this kind of page. This will basically set your page. So in what type of page, either it may be landscape or it may be portrait mode. So if you are willing to do in landscape mode, then click at this, or otherwise click at this. So this will open, and here you can change the resolution of this sketching. This will indicate PPI, means points per inch, and this is the width, this is height. You can change it if you have a lower PC configuration. I mean, you have a 4GB RAM or 8GB RAM, then you can decrease the size and width of it. Okay, let's get started and just press here create. So after pressing this create option, you will see that this kind of page will now come out. And since here I am using a pen tab, so here has the option wheel to zoom in and out, and also I can toggle to the brush zoom in out. You can see that I can zoom in and out the brush, and if you have no pen tab, then you can also manually do it by just increasing or decreasing this kind of fact here, and you can also control the opacity of it. And since I have done at more than 4 to 5 paintings regarding this, since it is new for me also, I am going to show you about some of the facts here. This is the color selector. That means you can select any color from this. So if you want to take any bluish color, then just take your mouse cursor here and click in here, and then you can get a large number of colors from here. So these are the options you can take, and here are the brushes. These are most important part of this software, because here you can get also a lot of stamps, a lot of brushes, pencils, rubbers, and many other things. So you can use these kind of facts. You can get here a lot of textures also. So now I am going to show you about just a few things. This is the large scale eraser, and here is the option eraser small. If you want to just erase a small part, then you can use it. And this is also eraser soft. That means if you just put a lot of colors like this, and if you want to erase it, then it will just erase the painting softly. You can see at the side of it, at these portions, some softness come out. But if you use this kind of eraser, then it here has no softness, and this is eraser small, so you can even erase a small part of your painting, and this will erase circular part. Just see, this will erase circle like pattern, and in this way you can use this. And which I have used, just this is the airbrush soft, and you can use this for making a background. So this will help to make a background like this. You can make a background, maybe it may be sky, it may be sea scene, or other else. So you can easily make a background by using this, and you can increase or decrease the color contrast also. And if you think that these are more dark or more deeper, then you can also decrease the opacity of this color from here. Since I am using Veik A15 Pro tablet, here has a pressure sensitivity. If I just take a color from here and then I want to use it, then if I use it in a very smooth manner by small pressure, then you can see it will not create a huge amount of color. But if I press darkly, then you can see that it will make a very deep pattern. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of this page, then you can also do it from this corner box. You can see here, this is the option. You can also adjust this page by shifting these two. This one is horizontal shifting and this is for vertical shifting. If you are using mouse, then you can also do it, and this will create a stamp of water. These are very interesting, so I am saying this. You can use it like water texture. If I change the color of this like water, then you can see that this will create a water texture. So one stamp equals to just this. So you can understand that this is the one stamp of this water. A lot of stamps are available also here. You can see, you can use this to make some floweriness, because if you want to make some flowers like this, then you can also do it by using it. And also try it with yourself. And now here has a lot of options available in this column. I am going to show you that, but in this Krita software, the main facilities of this software is you can also search the brushes from here, and a lot of styles are available. You can use this kind of stamp sparkles like this in your drawing. If you are willing to make any kind of styles to your painting, then you can do it like this. You can see it looks gorgeous. This is stamp mountain. I mean, if you use this kind of texture, then this will create just this kind of mountains. You can see if I change the color of this, then you will see that this will create the mountain like this. So this will also help you to make some kind of sceneries like this. I am making a scenery, and if you apply more pressure, then the size of this mountain will become larger and larger. So keep control on your mouse or on your pen, because this effect will not be affected in case of mouse. You have to adjust the size of this mountain from here, but if you use a pen tab, then you will be able to change the size of the mountain by changing the pressure of your pen. Now here has a lot of option like stamp leaves, like stamp herbals, grass stamps. You can use this kind of textures also and use this to your painting. I am just showing you that this is the texture you can use. So you can use it like this, and in this manner you can easily draw any kind of trees, any kind of bushes, etc., and just change the color to make it several patterns and several colors of it. This will help to make a lot of realistic trees here and also forests. And if you want to make the root of it, then you can also do it. And here has the option stamp herbal. That means it will create the pattern like this. So you can also use this kind of patterns. I think this will also be helpful for you. And change the color of it. Just by changing color of it, you can also use. And here has another option like stamp grasses. This is also better. Change the color and then use it like this. So this will create a grass like effect. I am applying this, but if you are a beginner, then just use it. Otherwise you can do it by using pencil or brushes. A lot of brushes are available. You can see here are the lot of brushes. Even you can get watercolor brushes, oil paint brushes, and oil pastel chalk effect. Here are the options for water paint soft edges, because if you want to try to draw with this brush, it will create a water like effect, but with a with here is edge, with edges having softness. You can see a soft effect is coming out from here, and I am undoing it by pressing Ctrl Z. But since I have a pen tab, so I set the function here. If you right click your mouse, then this will blink up, and you can easily adjust all the colors, brushes from here. So which brushes, you can also set the number of brushes here, and from here you can change the rotational angle. You can see here has a dot. By controlling this dot, you can change the angle of rotation of it, and you can zoom in and zoom out from here, and you can also choose a color from here also. And these are the brushes available. These are watercolor brushes, you can use it. These all are watercolor brushes, and these are pencils available. You can see charcoal pencil large. This will give you just the pattern of charcoal pencil, but you have to adjust the color of this charcoal pencil yourself, because if I set its color like this, then it will affect the texture like a charcoal pencil, but you have to adjust the color of this charcoal pencil by yourself, because which color you will select, that will be blinked here. If I select here a gray like color, then this will give you a gray color, and if I make it more dark, then this will give you a more dark effect. In this way you can change the color. And here these are the soft chalk, so use this and comment me that what type of brushes is interesting for you, and use it yourself. And I suggest that if your processor and RAM of your laptop or desktop is very low, then just save it from here. Click here, save as, then save it by naming anything, and then save. So this will save at up to this state. And now when you work on it, I am just selecting a pencil from here. This is a pencil, and now this portion of this tree is not saved because I am not saving it. If I press Ctrl S, then you can see it will saved up to this. Now if you draw anything at this painting, then you can, but it will not save. You have to save it manually by pressing Ctrl S. Otherwise if you exit this from this software after making these changes will not be saved. So take care about it. And here has a lot of brushes which will help you to mix the color patterns, so just use them. And you can also check all of the brushes available here. So just after checking this, comment me. Here has a lot of textures. You can also use this kind of textures here. And another texture like these texture spines, you can use it at the wall of any broken wall. You can use it. And this is the texture of hair, so you can use it like this. You can see this will give you a hair like feel. If I zoom in here, then you can see this will give you a hair like pattern. So to make any kind of hair of your drawing, then you can do it by clicking this. And if you want to make any kind of sea water, then just select it, because it is texture crackles, and you can easily do it by selecting this kind of color. If I use it in here, then you can see this is the water wave effect. If suddenly some water wave comes, then that pattern will feels like this. So you can use it. in your painting if you are doing any kind of sea, but it is not sea in my painting, so I will not use this. In case of my painting it is a lake. Now here are the options in left column by which you can easily make any geometrical shapes. If I show you, then here has the option like you can see, because I am selecting this kind of dry brushing, so this will give me an effect like this kind of. But if you select a pencil, then this will not create this kind of effect. Now I am selecting a pencil and now I am drawing like this, then you can see this kind of rectangle will form. And here has the option circle, here has option curve. You can make here a lot of curve like this, and just use it yourself. You can easily understand about the texture and paintings of it and how it will work for you. Just use it, and if any problem arises, then just comment me in the comment section. I will help you as soon as possible. And here has another option. It is I think it is a color picker. Yes, it is a color picker. If you want to use this color picker, because sometimes it happens that if that you use this color here, green color, and you want to use the same green color at this portion also, then you cannot find it from this section. So for that situation you have to just select this color picker, then you will find the exact color at this portion. Then by just selecting this kind of pencil, you can easily use the same color which was at there. So you can use this Krita software by downloading it from Google. And if you have a problem by downloading it, then you just comment me. I will help you I will make a video regarding this, how to download this software. I think it will be very helpful for you, and just use this software. And thank you for watching this video.